Rumors from the deepest parts of the global supply chain have finally converged, and they aren't just saying Samsung is releasing a new tablet. They are saying Samsung is about to delete the line between your laptop and your mobile device entirely. We are talking about the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. Today, we are dissecting every single authentic technical leak about this device, a machine that is being positioned as the ultimate laptop killer for the latter half of 2026. If you want to know if it is finally time to retire your MacBook for a slim, powerful alternative, pay close attention, because what we found about the internal hardware changes the landscape of mobile computing. The timing of this release is not a coincidence. We have seen a massive convergence of reports from multiple independent sources, including industry analysts, all pointing toward a September 2026 launch window. This mirrors Samsung's strategic shift to separate their flagship tablet launch from the mobile and smartwatch wave that hits earlier in the summer. Samsung is not just launching a tablet. They are setting up a strategic collision course with the holiday shopping season, effectively making the S12 Ultra the most anticipated gift for professionals and creatives across North America and Europe. The core of this device is the processor. We are seeing strong, credible indicators that Samsung is pivoting to the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. This is a 3nm powerhouse. Industry experts believe this specific shift is designed to handle what is being referred to as neural decks. Imagine a desktop experience on your tablet that does not just mimic a PC interface, but actually feels as fluid as one, thanks to an NPU that is miles ahead of what we saw in the previous generation. This is the hardware equivalent of moving from a standard office computer to a dedicated workstation. The memory architecture is where things get truly interesting. We are hearing consistent reports of a 24GB RAM configuration for the top-tier model. Read that number again. 24GB of RAM in a mobile form factor is massive. This is not for browsing social media or casual streaming. This is specifically engineered for multitasking heavy-duty applications, like professional video editing suites, complex 3D rendering, and massive data management tasks that would make most lightweight laptops stutter. When you combine this with the sheer overhead of a mobile-optimized operating system, the efficiency per watt is going to be higher than almost any traditional laptop on the market today, beyond the raw processing power. The thermal management system has seen a complete overhaul. Insiders suggest that Samsung is implementing a vapor chamber that is 40% larger than the one found in the S11 Ultra. This change is crucial. It ensures that when you are pushing that 24GB of RAM to its absolute limit, the device maintains peak clock speeds without thermal throttling. This is a massive leap forward for long-form creative work, ensuring that your export times for 8000 video or complex CAD files stay consistent throughout your entire session. Samsung knows that a pro device is only as good as its sustained performance. And this thermal design is the final piece of the puzzle to truly challenge professional-grade laptops. Let's talk about the physical construction. We have reviewed the leaked database listings and the current design language coming out of the assembly lines. Samsung is leaning heavily into a premium, indestructible build. We are talking about a grade 5 titanium frame. This is the same material philosophy that has defined the most durable high-end hardware this year. It makes the device incredibly light for its massive 1.6-inch footprint. But do not let the thinness fool you. This architecture is purpose-built to handle the thermal output of that powerful 3nm chipset. They are also doubling down on the display a new Tandem OLED panel that is rumored to hit 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are working under harsh office lighting or in a high-contrast creative studio, the visual fidelity is going to be unmatched in the industry. Samsung is finally addressing the biggest critique of the Ultra series: the camera placement and quality. We are looking at a dual 12MP front-facing camera system with advanced under-display technology. This means no more notch, no more punch hole, just a clean, uninterrupted glass canvas. It is designed for professional-grade virtual meetings, and with the new 4000 processing capabilities, Your video quality is going to be sharper than almost any dedicated webcam built into standard laptops. We also have to look at the battery. A device this powerful needs a massive fuel tank. The reports point to an 11,600 mAh capacity, which, when paired with the power-sipping efficiency of the 3nm architecture, should easily push you through a full day of heavy professional workflows without needing to look for an outlet. For the power users, there are whispers of charging speeds reaching up to 80 W, significantly cutting down the time you spend tethered to a wall. The secret sauce for this device is the software-to-hardware integration. We have mentioned neural decks, but the ecosystem play is even larger. With the new S Pen Pro 3, Samsung is introducing advanced tactile haptic feedback. This is not just about writing. It is about feeling the texture of the digital paper. It is the kind of subtle, premium innovation that keeps professionals locked into the Galaxy ecosystem. When you combine this with the capability for Wi-Fi 7 and the latest Bluetooth 6.0 standards, you are looking at a device that is truly future-proofed for at least the next 5 years of professional use. Consider the broader market context for a moment. Major competitors have recently adjusted their pricing structures for their pro-level devices, and the global supply chain is currently dealing with a memory production crunch. This creates a vacuum in the high-end market. If Samsung prices the S12 Ultra correctly, they will not just be competing with other tablets. They will be aggressively targeting the professional laptop market. The fact that there is no smaller, compact version in the current database leaks, only the one 2.4-inch Plus and the one 4.6-inch Ultra, suggests that Samsung is doubling down on the pro workstation identity. They are not trying to make a tablet for the average consumer. They are making a tablet for the people who actually use their devices to build, create, and manage complex projects. Is 24 GB of RAM enough to make you completely abandon your traditional PC? That is the real question for the modern professional. For some, the answer is no, because legacy enterprise software still dictates their specific workflow. But for the growing generation of digital nomads, content creators, and remote managers, the Tab S12 Ultra is starting to look like the only device you would ever actually need to carry in your bag. Technology is moving faster than ever, and we are reaching a point where the term mobile in mobile computing is becoming synonymous with full desktop-grade power. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be the physical manifestation of that shift. Whether it lives up to every single one of these internal specs will be determined in September. But the engineering roadmap suggests that Samsung is playing for keeps. They have identified the limitations of current tablet hardware, and they are systematically removing every barrier to professional productivity. This is not just an incremental update. It is a fundamental shift in how we approach the tablet as a primary computing tool. The components, the materials, and the internal logic all point toward a device that is ready to redefine the market before the end of the year.